Hello students, welcome to English class. Before moving to our class, let me ask you one thing. Have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, many of us. And what is a zoo? Yeah, it is a place where animals are kept, and they are kept in a cage also, and they are put on display for the people to view. So let's move on to our poem. So students, we are going to start with Unit 5 poem Zoo Manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So students, let's start with the explanation of the poem. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Here, the poet is telling to us or the viewers or the visitors, those who go to zoo, how they have to behave. Yes, we have to be very careful when we visit the zoo. Next, don't make fun of camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Here, hump and bump are the outgrowth, or we can say the projected area which we can see at the back of the camel. When we see or when we just visit the zoo and the first cage, if it is a camel, we should always be polite and we should not make fun of or make remarks of the camel's hump or bump, because camel is very much pleased by its hump. He is very proud of it. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. Yeah, chimpanzees, when we see, there are tendency for the visitors to laugh because they jump here and there. But we should not make fun of chimpanzees too, because they think they are more wiser than us. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. So, the next what we see, if we see a penguin, penguins walk like they are very proud and put their head a little above. So, it looks like they are very proudly and they are very smart and they walk around the lake. That time we should not make any remarks on them because they can understand it. And treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So, the poet is telling us that we should always be disciplined, we should be always aware, careful and polite to animals when we visit the zoo. The poem is about a zoo, and here we start the summary. In this, the poet is telling that children are watching different animals. Where? Yes, in the zoo. And he is advising the children that when we go to a zoo, we should be very careful. Not only careful, we should be very polite to animals. We should not make fun of them, we should not comment on them, neither we should make remarks on them. Even the poet is telling about the animals like camel's pride, chimpanzee's wiseness and penguin's smartness. The poet is giving more stress on the politeness, the behavior of the visitors in a zoo. Hope that this unit, Zoo Manners, was very interesting and you must have enjoyed learning this poem. Thank you.